Okay, let's do this. Sorry, viewers, for like the whatever. If something is blocking the screen, it's not really my fault because I'm holding like the iPhone on the video, but whatever. Gonna do a little walk. Da da da. While I make a first person video. Da 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 di 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 da di 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 da di 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 Oh no! There was something that touched my arm. I gotta hurry to get away from whatever insect is flying after me. I gotta hurry. Oh no. This is only a few kilometers per hour. Like, this might be like 13 kilometers per hour. Oh, I saw it. I saw the insect. Keep running from it. Continue. Hello guys, this is your daily dose of geometry. Okay. Good news is that the iPhone didn't fall. Hello, little birdie bird. Defeat. I think I'm gonna go back with my bike. Just randomly, he made that voice. I like, you know, kind of have the voice of a actor, of like a movie actor, like I can like voice a ton of characters, like for example 4 from BFB, like look, there's a car, and yeah, I can make the voice of many characters, you know. I don't know. I just know the weather is okay. And there's a car. Rice cakes. Never had one, but someone told me it is a good way to start your diet. Like, yeah. Voicing characters for no reason. Defeat. Yeah. Defeat. Hey! Fazendo vídeo de primeira pessoa. Yeah, I'm making a first person video. Should I do a challenge of like do a little ride with the bike until I find 10 different house style. So the first one is modern style construction. Construct